Now we are going to program the PID. The manufacturer will give you the instruction sheet how to program the PID. So in your lab manual, I have given the PID program. Okay, so we'll set now the set point 1. To set the set point 1, there is a button that we have to use this button to get the set point 1. Set point 1. You see set point 1. Now we have to put enter, then it will be entered in the set point 1 in the PID. And we have to set point 1 15, so that it will reach 15 and then pump will turn off. So to do this one, it is already default. I can do little change and then enter. So 15 will be entered and stored. Then set point 2, similarly we have to start. We can do again. So we'll set point 2, we'll start 10. So I can do and then enter. So set point 10 set is already set 10. Then we'll go to configuration menu. If you press this one, it will go configuration, then enter. Then it will come input. We have to put input. Our input is, in this case, is the process, water level process. So we'll set input and process is there, but we have to go process and then enter. Process is stored. Then we have to go enter process, and it will show 0 to 10. This is our voltage for the level. Okay, so we have to put this one as per the instructions. And when you run the program, when you run the controller, we will see there these voltages. When it will reach 0, when it is reaching 10 volt, we'll see, and we can see the level of the tank. So we'll put so 0 to 10 is set. And now we have to put reading configuration. Okay, reading already put 0 to 10. Okay, now we'll go to configuration menu again. Configuration menu again, and press enter, and it will show input 1. Reading. So we have to set how many decimal points we'll see, or the controller will see in the reading. So we have to put decimal points. So decimal. And we want 2-digit before decimal or after decimal, 2 digits. So we can enter it. Enter. Okay. So every time we are entering, it would be stored. So it is going stored. Now we have to call this one input reading. We have to go to input reading, and display will show, if we enter, display will show input 1, and we have to put, there is a table there in your left sheet, we have to put how much should be the input 1. We'll put enter, and we are going to put 0, but it will not take immediate. It took it. It will take, then in reading 1, it will come reading 1, RD1, so we have to put 23 as per the table there. Then it will input 2, we have to put input 2, and this is the value as per the table, so we'll put there reading 2, and it should be 0 0 0. So that is the thing. Now we have to disable alarm 1 and alarm 2. This machine does not give alarm 1, alarm 2 as well as level, so we have to disarm that one. We have to go to configuration menu first, and then output 1, then enter. Some menus until to get output 1. Output of alarm 1 and 2 should be displayed on top of here. Output 1. Alarm 1, let's say. Alarm 1 disable. So we have to put alarm 1 disable. Alarm 2 enter and disable. We are putting alarm 2 disable. Okay. Now we have to go control. We have to go output 1, then this one, then control, then on off. We are giving on off control, on off signal to the palm, so we have to put on off control. So enter. It will not come directly entered, so we have to scroll up down. Okay. So we are on off, but why is not taking it? Let's see this one. Okay, we put on off, then we have put ACTN and we have to use okay, and then we have to go RVRS, and we have to put some value there. set the on parameter as given below. Okay. Action. Then what is not going? Deadband is enter 7. We have to put deadband 7 here, so we are going to put, it might not take, so we have to go up and down. We'll put deadband 7. Go back. Oh. 0, 7. So we'll put 7 and stored. So our deadband, when there will be no change of the process, is 7. Now we are set with the programming of this one. We set the upper set point, lower set point, we set the deadband, we disable the alarm 1 and alarm 2. So we'll go to run mode. Run mode. Okay. Now we have to put the control pump manual control to auto, and it should work. So we are putting manual control to auto, say it is in auto, and water level was low, so it will go at the upper set point and it will stop. It is stopping, and it will start somewhere in the lower set point again. See, it is starting. So controller, and we can see the voltage here, what he is giving when it is. So we can see the voltage here 0 to 10 for upper limit and lower limit here. We connected here, but in the PID controller it should be there, but we are monitoring other things. So this is the programming. So we programmed the PID, we set the auto control, and it was maintaining. So that is our lab experiment. But in your real life, you will get the manufacturer's instructions and you will follow that one. Just you have to change sometimes deadband, sometimes upper limit, lower limit, according to your requirement. You have to change it. Otherwise, manufacturer will give you the instruction according to the ultrasonic sensors specification. Finally, I can say that in summary, we are just giving instruction to the controller of our desired level, but in the digital form, converting it to digital, which is in the lab sheet, and it is maintaining that one. That is the FIT lab. And in the process control, in this equipment, we can do also process control for the temperature control. We can use the thermocouple as a sensor, and there is the RTD heater. We can use the same thing, similar programming, but instead of process, we'll put the thermocouple. Okay. We can measure the pressure. We can control the pressure here. At that time, we have to connect the pressure sensor here. Last time we showed pressure sensor here, which is our pressure transducer, and program the same thing. Instead of process, we'll put the pressure, and we can connect it to the controller, it will maintain. So that's how we can program. In real life, you have to program, but you will get a lot of instructions from the manufacturer. That's all for this lab, and thank you very much, and be safe. And when you do anything, disconnect the electrical power, do it, program it, and then connect it, and don't operate any equipment until you are sure that what you are expecting is visible. Thank you very much once again. Okay, see you next time.